What's up, weirdos? What's up, panic sellers? How's everybody feeling out there? Market's looking kind of weird for something that we're expecting to go down, but I'm still expecting it to go down, guys. I'm still expecting it to go down. Let's talk about it. Let's get into it. All right, so a quick look across the market, guys. Jasmy up 4% on the day, down 9.5 on the week, 40 on the month, and 38.7 on the year. We're up one spot in rank to 98, a $607 million market cap, 80 million in volume. What else do we got? Where is XCN? There it is. Up 3.5% on the day, down 7.5% on the week, 34.8 on the month, but up 329 on the year. ZBEC down 2.7% on the day, up 7.8 on the week, and down 36.2 on the year, on the month. Down 16 spots in rank to 399, a $78 million market cap, 36 million in volume. Not too bad, guys. Not too bad. Where's our Swift coin? There it is. Even on the day, up 1% on the week, down 34 on the month, but up 93 on the year. Down 4 spots in rank to 319, a $109 million market cap, 1.56 million in volume. So let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart, guys. It's looking kind of juicy tonight, eh? Getting people's hopes up, making everybody think we're going to the upside, and then rug, right? That's what I think's going to happen. I could be wrong. Hell, I hope I'm wrong. I hope we just start going to new all-time highs from here, guys. like if we go down, yes, I want to scoop up a bunch more, but it's not like I have a short in or anything like that where I'm gonna benefit other than spot buying if it goes down. So, I mean, listen, I hope I'm wrong and I hope we go up, but I don't think we are. So we're going to talk about it again like we talk about in every video, guys, right? Some people don't seem to understand, though, because I talked about it earlier today and someone made a comment in the comment section saying, oh, you were saying it's going down. Now you're starting to get cold feet. What the hell are you talking about? Here's exactly what I've been saying. For about a month and a half now, guys, when we were up here, I was telling you guys we were going down to 69K. Here's where I made the video saying to you guys, and it's even titled, you can go check my video library, act as if, right? And I told you guys in the video, act as if Bitcoin's going down to 69K. It's exactly what I said. Go back and watch the video. It's literally titled that, right? You can go search it. So here we go, guys. I put 2 yellow lines here because this is a game of probabilities. If you were under the impression that charting is based on certainties, my friend, you need more experience in crypto. We're really not just crypto, in stocks, in charting, there's no certainties in charts, right? They're probabilities. Look it up, right? There is no one identifiable way that it's going, and if you miss it, you were wrong. That's not how it works. This is a game of probabilities that have endless factors that contribute. Macroeconomic factors, Powell, Trump, tariffs, interest rate cuts, quantitative tightening, quantitative easing, and then we go into regular chart action that dictates that we're going to the downside, even though right now it looks like we're going to the upside, right? So anyway, anything below this yellow line up here at $91,000, anything below there is still just a lower high. And I just had a buy order filled. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. Anyway, want to know what I bought? Get over to the Patreon. Check out my buy alerts. If we have to close above this $91,000 level, guys, to invalidate a move to the downside, right? And I know a lot of people don't understand this. That's why they say, oh, it looks like it's good. It's good. Look, I'm telling you right now, anything lower than this, and all we're doing is putting in a lower high. A lower high is indicative of a downtrend, right? To invalidate that downtrend, you have to put in a higher high and continue to do so for multiple days in a row, right? That's how it works. So in saying that, we have to get above this $91,000 level to invalidate a move to the downside and to confirm a move to the upside. However, if we start closing daily candles below 82K, this bottom yellow line, well, that would make it far more likely that we're coming down to this golden pocket between 69 and 74K. Now, if we do come down here, it's not going to be long-lived, guys, okay? I understand a lot of people don't want to hear that, so they're like, I don't know, watch this guy's video because he's bearish. I'm not being bearish. I'm just telling you so that you can be ready to buy dips if they happen. I hate it when I tell you guys dips are coming and then they come and then you guys complain that you don't have any dry powder. I'm like, oh, I told you this was coming. So it's not me being bearish. I'm macro bullish, right? And even to be honest with you, I consider myself, even when I say Bitcoin's going down temporarily, I consider that bullish because I want to buy that, right? So in no way am I bearish. But yeah, so we have to start closing below here, 82K, to start moving to the downside here, right? So that's really what we're waiting for. We got the death cross that's getting ready to finish playing out right here. We get the 30-day going to cross down below the 200-day right here in this little circle, right? So that's going to happen soon. And listen, I know, guys, I said death cross. Woohoo! Death cross is a lagging indicator, okay? It represents a move that's already happened, not a move that's yet to happen. So the death cross doesn't mean that a dump is coming. It means that a dump, all this already happened, okay? So just so you're aware, right? It's not like mega bearish, right? It's kind of good that it's almost over with, to be honest with you. So yeah, anyway, guys, altcoins are just kind of doing their thing sideways right now. ZBEC had a monster move to the upside and then a monster move back to the downside. Check that out. Boom. Everybody took their profits, right? Well, I didn't, but most people did. And the reason that I didn't is because I'm macro bullish, right? So when we come down here, I'm not worried about taking profits. I missed the opportunity to take profits up here. I'm thinking about, I'm going to buy some more, right? So ZBEC looking good, guys, for a DCA opportunity. Swiftcoin, XCN, Jasmy, all looking bullish. But Bitcoin sitting at $87,000 right now, guys. Very interesting. I personally think it's a head fake. I think it's a hoop, 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 and this is going to be down. It's going to drop to the downside, but we'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. I could be wrong. I've been known to be wrong a time or two in my time, all right? All right, check this out, guys. With all the bearish news on Jasmy, thanks to Binance, as you can see, the holder count has actually gone up. It's actually gone up by about 245. We just broke 90,000 the other day. Now we're up over 90,245. So Binance funded us, and we ended up getting more holders because of it. So I guess a thank you is in order. Real quick news here on Moonwell, guys. Very, very bullish on Moonwell. Decentralized finance is the way to go. Visa Platinum card. Get your physical Moonwell cards today, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Not sponsored or anything. I just like Moonwell as a project. I like the Glimmer ecosystem. So very, very bullish news. Moonwell working with Visa. Very, very bullish. You love to see that. Also, had a new listing for ZBEC today. Check this out. Boom. CoinStash. New listing, new spot listing for ZBEC. So very, very bullish there as well. Love to see that. And let's get into the main story here, shall we? Let's not drag this out any longer. I know you guys probably want to go to bed. It's late or it's early, depending on where you are. So Jasmy's price could surge soon, according to these catalysts. The Jasmy price has moved into a bear market after crashing from it's a bear market phase, not bear market. Bear market phase after crashing from last year's high of 5 cents 95 to 1 cent 2. Its lowest level since February of last year. Jasmy token has crashed because of the cryptocurrency market's ongoing performance. Bitcoin and most altcoins have also plunged in this period. Still, the coin is likely to bounce back in coming weeks. On-chain data shows that a number of active addresses has risen in the past few days, like I just showed you guys, right? There were 897 active addresses on March 23rd, the highest level since March 10th. As an increase in these active addresses is often seen as a positive catalyst on the coins. The rising active addresses have coincided with the 365-day mean dollar investment age rally. The MDIA soared to 146 from this month's low of 138. A rising MDIA indicator is often a bullish catalyst for coins. The other potential catalyst for Jasmy is it has become a highly undervalued coin. One of the best ways to look at this is using the Z-score of market value to realized value, the MVRV indicator. This indicator compares a coin's current market value to the total value of all coins on the market at the point they were last moved. They last moved. Jasmy's MVRV score has dropped to minus 1.8 from last year's high of 5.2. It has moved to the lowest level since April of last year, a sign that it has become highly undervalued. Further, the total balances of Jasmy on exchanges has continued falling this year. Data by CoinGlass below shows that these balances have moved to 8.47 billion tokens from the November high of 10.4. Guys, 8.47 billion tokens. Do you know what that means? That means that across exchanges, there are only 8.47 billion tokens available to be purchased, okay? Supply and demand. The daily chart shows that the Jasmy price has crashed in the past few months. It has dropped from 5 cents 9 in November to 1 cent. Most recently, the crash below the key support level at 1 cent 6, its lowest level in March, May, August, and November last year. Jasmy has remained below the 50-day and the 100-day moving averages, a sign that bears have prevailed. On a positive side, Jasmy has formed a falling wedge pattern, pointing to a rebound. A wedge is made of two falling and converging lines. In most cases, a rebound usually happens when the two trend lines near their confluence. So basically what they're saying here, as you can see, this is what we've been looking at here on Jasmy. As you can see, falling wedge pattern. The closer these two lines get together, oh, you can't even see my cursor there. The closer that these two red lines get together on the falling wedge pattern on the chart, well, and the price gets in there, gets tighter and tighter, then it breaks to the upside, okay? So, and I've been charting this falling wedge pattern for months, as you guys know, for about 4 months, okay? And I can tell you right now, a break from this is probably going to be somewhere around about a 250% move to the upside. That's just my personal projection. Therefore, the coin is likely to surge soon. If it rises above the key resistance at 1 cent 6, more upside will be confirmed. Such a move will point to further gains, potentially to the key point at 2 cents 5, the highest swing on September 28th of last year. Jasmy, often dubbed the Japan's Bitcoin, was originally designed to give individuals control over their personal data. Founded in 2016 by former Sony executives Sato and Ando, Jasmy aims to empower users to manage and monetize their information securely rather than handing it to corporations for free. Jasmy, the project's native token, facilitates data transactions, rewards users for sharing information, and powers payments within the ecosystem. With Japan's strict data protection laws and growing interest in Web3, Jasmy has positioned itself as a leader in data democratization. Recently, Jasmy shifted its focus to becoming a prominent player in the artificial intelligence sector. Jasmy's CFO Hara has emphasized the network's use of decentralized GPUs to deploy next generation AI agents. Junction, a decentralized public infrastructure platform incubated within the Jasmy community, has integrated GPUs into its DPIN framework. So there you go. I'm going to do a video tomorrow, guys, and we're going to do a little bit of a deeper dive into the AI agent aspect, migrating over to the Junction ecosystem, okay, via GPU processing power. So we're going to talk about that tomorrow. But for now, guys, quick shout out to the channel sponsor, right? Decent self-custody wallet. Guys, listen, leaving your crypto on a hot wallet like your Coinbase wallet or your Phantom wallet or your MetaMask is like leaving your wallet or purse on a table at a restaurant and getting up and leaving and hoping that nobody scoops it up. That's insanity. Hold your own coins, guys. Get yourself a decent self-custody wallet. You can do your swaps on there and so much more. And it is safe from being hacked, okay? Use our link down below to get a fantastic deal. And once again, guys, Patreon's been absolutely exploding. The community is off the charts, man. I can't even believe how much fun and financial benefit is over there for people. It's absolutely phenomenal. We're live every single evening. You can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. I just dropped a brand new microcap gem video over there today. So go and check that out. You don't want to miss it. And on top of all of that, guys, listen, if you're new to crypto, if you've never been through an altcoin season before, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple altcoin seasons and can help you get through this market cycle with your profits intact. We can help you rearrange your portfolio to maximize your potential ROI and so much more. So get over there, get your one-on-one coaching calls booked in, guys. The spots book up fast, so get over there. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.